How the Amish manage to live so simply, yet so efficiently. It's like they've unlocked a secret code to life. No tech, no rush, just pure, handcrafted, well-thought-out living. And the best part? Their way of doing things isn't just about survival. It's about thriving, about making the most of what you have with zero waste and full efficiency. So, let's take a deep dive into some of the most creative Amish-inspired solutions that you can use in your own life. Mason jar magic, not just for canning. Picture this. You step into an Amish kitchen. No plastic clutter, no overflowing junk drawers. Just neatly lined up mason jars, filled with everything from dried herbs to homemade vanilla extract. And here's the thing. Mason jars are crazy versatile. They store nuts, flour, homemade pickles, screws, buttons, sewing kits, you name it. They even double as lanterns with a little candle inside. No need for expensive organizers. Just grab a few jars, label M, and suddenly, your pantry looks like something straight out of farmhouse dream. Simple? Yes. Genius? Also yes. Amish furniture, built to last, not to toss. Unlike modern furniture that falls apart in 5 years, Amish tables and chairs, they last generations, passed down like family heirlooms. Handcrafted, no screws, no nails, just solid wood and skill. Think about it. What if you built or bought one table? Just one. And instead of replacing it every few years, it stayed in your family for decades. That's Amish thinking. Durability over trends. Function over fluff. Not into woodworking, no worries. Even just learning basic wood repair, sanding, staining, fixing loose joints can save you tons of money and keep your furniture in top shape. Cleaning without chemicals. Modern cleaning products? Overpriced, overcomplicated, overloaded with chemicals. The Amish? They don't do that. Instead, they stick to vinegar, baking soda, lemon, and elbow grease. Simple ingredients, but they work better than half the store-bought stuff. Vinegar and water, best glass cleaner you'll ever use. Streak-free, no residue. Baking soda, scrubs like a dream. Use it for sinks, tubs, and even deodorizing carpets. Lemon juice, natural disinfectant. Plus, it smells like sunshine. Tried and tested for generations. No chemicals, no fancy labels, no BS. The secret to never-ending clothes. The Amish don't do fast fashion. They sew, they patch. They make their clothes last years longer than we do. Ever thrown away a shirt because of a tiny hole? Or a sock with a little tear? The Amish wouldn't dream of it. Needle, thread, fixed in 5 minutes. And if you really want to go next level, handmade clothes. Wool, cotton, linen, no polyester nonsense. Not only do they last forever, but they also feel so much better on your skin. Plus, sewing ain't that hard. If you can thread a needle, you can mend a shirt. And if you can mend a shirt, you can save hundreds of dollars a year. Cooking the old school way. No microwaves. No frozen meals. Just pure, slow-cooked, flavor-packed food. The Amish love wood-fired cooking. Ever had bread baked in a brick oven? It's different. Crunchy crust, soft inside, smoky aroma. Unbeatable. But even if you don't have a fire pit, you can still use their cooking tricks. Cast iron everything. It lasts a lifetime and makes food taste 10x better. Slow cooking meats and stews. The longer, the better. Flavor takes time. Using every part of the ingredient. Vegetable scraps, soup stock, leftover dough, biscuits. Nothing goes to waste. Cooking like this isn't just about food. It's about patience, quality, and savoring the moment. Gardening like a pro without chemicals. The Amish don't buy vegetables. They grow them, and they grow them smart. Ever heard of companion planting? They plant tomatoes with basil, carrots with onions, because certain plants help each other grow. It's like nature's own fertilizer. No chemicals needed. Also, they collect rainwater for watering, compost kitchen scraps for fertilizer, and use natural pest control. Marigolds and garlic keep bugs away. So yeah, Amish gardens, low maintenance, high yield, no toxins, minimalist mindset, owning less, enjoying more. Here's the biggest Amish secret. They don't just live simply. They enjoy it. Fewer things, fewer distractions, more time, peace, and real human connections. No, you don't have to throw away your phone and move to a farm. But decluttering your home, avoiding impulse buys, and choosing quality over quantity, that's a step in the right direction. And guess what? That's Amish wisdom. Try one thing. You don't have to go full Amish overnight. Just pick one thing. Maybe try homemade cleaning products, or mend a torn shirt, or grow one vegetable in a pot. Because here's the deal. Simple changes equals big impact. And who knows? Maybe a little Amish ingenuity is exactly what your life needs.